Hey there. I want you to check out my book about pearl knotting. My name is Warren Feld. I'm a jewelry designer with 40 years of experience. And in my book, I teach you the basic steps in pearl knotting. I'll walk you through how to start your piece, how to tie knots between pearls, and how to end your piece. Simple instructions, lots of diagrams, lots of images. So in this book, I teach a non-traditional pearl knotting technique, which is very easy for people to learn and do, does not use special tools, includes step-by-step instructions, and a simple way to tie knots, and shows clearly how to attach your clasp and finish off your cords. And it achieves that architectural perfection that we want in our pearl knotted strung pieces. So this book is very important. There are many variations in technique, and they all work, and yet most are very difficult for the beginner, especially those traditional techniques which rely on tools for making and positioning the knots. Over the years, I've seen how students, when following traditional pearl knotting methods, or methods which utilize some more traditional techniques and approaches, become very dissatisfied and frustrated with their results, and they give up. Pearl knotting doesn't need to be this hard. So after many years, enduring many concerns, many debates, demonstrations, and arguments about which way is best, I came up with my own preferences. So using ideas and goals and parts of techniques from several established methods, I adjusted them based on my experiences with students and teachers. I took into account my knowledge of good design and how to balance artistic concerns with functional ones, and I came up with an approach. I used these ideas and techniques which I researched and put them to the test to create a non-traditional pearl knotting technique, which I call Warren's Way. My book covers 4 different variations for starting and finishing your piece, including 1, attaching directly to the clasp, 2, using French wire bullion, 3, using clamshell bead tips, and 4, making a continuous piece without a clasp. I also present the steps for adding cord. My book is available for purchase in ebook form, Kindle form for Amazon, or as a print book. You can check Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Ingram, or your favorite bookstore. You may purchase an accompanying pearl knotting kit as well as supplies and tools by visiting the Land of Odds website, www.landofodds.com.